say the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. 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 Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back at you again with another banger. We got me on the R6, got Dustin on the FZ07. We got an R1 back there. What is this, a 1K or a 600? 1000 CBR 1000. What we got right here? GSX 750. What is this? What we got right here? CB. Hell yeah. We got a Z900. Got a Gixxer 1K. Got another CBR 1K. Got another Gixxer 750 600. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's get it, baby. Yes sir. Yes sir. Woo. Let's go. This is 859 Riders, baby. We're getting ready to go out, get us a nice little twisties in. I don't even know what route we're riding. Hey, what route are we riding? What route are we riding?
I'm not sure, maybe 421.
Alright, let's go, baby. Yes sir, that thing sounds nasty. Sheesh, I need to get me one. Yes sir. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Man, I had jury duty again today. There's some wild stuff happens in your city that you don't even know about, man. That's pretty crazy to think about. Stuff that don't even make the news. I guess not every story's gonna make the news though, man. There ain't enough room or time for that, so gotta be something big. Oh yeah, and we're on the road, baby. There he goes, Dustin up already. Up already. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta turn the music down. I ain't rode in a group in a while, man. Got hair in my ear, bruh. It feels so good to be back out in a group, man. I just wish that like some other homies was here. With my boy Kevin or Joseph or Dylan or my boy Andrew. Anybody really. Woo! Let's go, baby! Let me say it again! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Dude, that thing is straight torque. You can see it too. Man. It looks like it just wants to wheelie. Ah. Damn, bro. Damn. Hopefully we'll get to see my man Dustin out here bring it up a few times, baby! I'd say he's gotten somewhat comfortable on that bike. He's owned it for a little while now, probably about a month or so. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got my boy Dustin out here going ham with it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And there's a cop up here too. I'm dead. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. at this sunshine coming through the clouds, man. It's beautiful. Beautiful. That's how you know that there is a God, man. Because whenever you see stuff like that. Yes, sir, Dustin! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Attaboy! 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 Woo! Still got it up! The front wheel is stopped! The front wheel is stopped! The front wheel is stopped! The front wheel is stopped, boy! Yes, sir! Attaboy! 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 Yeah, I bet he fixed this tire after that one. Yes, sir! Hey, let's go, baby! Let's go! Hell yeah! Solid! Solid performance! There he goes! There he goes! Yes, sir! There he goes! Look at him! Look at him! He's up there at balance point. So there's a bunch of us in the group that can wheel it. That's lit. That's always lit. Let's go. Let's go. I got the CBR 1K coming by, baby. Damn, bro, I got the wrong underwear on again. I got them crappy underwear on, man. What is wrong with me?
Go crazy what we been through. When you die, the only time that they gon' miss you. Tell my mama no more tears, no more tissue. We was just some hood baby with some issues. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Pull up in that rain, see me ballin', yeah. 30 piece on my wrist like I'm Harden. Either they love me or I'm a target. Cause the ice on me is flawless. I've been busy.
Oh man, yeah, now we can get some music on again. I gotta start talking to y'all more again, man. I got to where I was talking real good to y'all, but the mic wasn't working and stuff, so useless footage. Useless. Y'all feel? You feel me? Yes, sir. Hey, Dustin, you getting comfortable on it, ain't you? I can see. Oh, yeah. Gotta warm them tires up a little bit, boys. Yes, sir. I hear it talking to him. I believe it. I bet he does love that thing, man. I know he does, actually. There he goes. Busy watching, you feel me? Maybe I've missed riding country roads too. That's one of my favorite things to do. I think I just seen some raindrops in my visor. That's what I think. I done did seen them. Love that beautiful Kentucky, baby. I got my vents open too, boy, that feels good. That car was getting it, boy. Woo! It's tough! Let's go! Oh yeah, I wish I could play with them, man. I can't really play with them like that right now. Not with the clutch doing what it is. There it goes. Dude, what the fuck is up with my ball sack? With your bed. Oh man. Oh man. I'll tell you what's lit about being on jury duty is I get paid for work. Well, I also get paid like $12.50 a day from them. Because my work pays me to be on jury duty, you know what I mean? Damn, I caught air right there, baby. Little baby wheel it for y'all. Look at all the pretty horses. I really need a steering stabilizer for this mag or mug. Still got the boys behind us. Yes, sir. Where your front wheels come up through the turn, boy, I felt it. So was that one. Especially on the R1, I bet. Oh yeah, baby. I kept having to readjust my nuts. What do y'all think? Y'all think I should get FZ07, man? That's like the wheelie beast right there. That's pretty much like the new stunt bike everybody's getting, man. Pretty much if you want to get into stunt riding, you just get an FZ.